My history class and ancient times. Hi, I'm a student. Today is Monday. I have a history class. I really like my history class. It's in the morning. History is about the past. The past means very old times. We learn about old people. We learn about old events. These events happened a very, very long time ago. Our teacher is good. He's nice. He helps us. He shows us pictures. The pictures are of old places and old people. He tells us stories. The stories are about important people from the past. In history class, we learn about very old times. For example, we learn about Old Egypt. In Old Egypt, there were big pyramids. Pyramids are big buildings. They're still there today. We learn about pharaohs. Pharaohs were important people in Old Egypt. We also learn about Old Rome. In Old Rome, there were great people. They built big cities. They built long roads. Roads were important for travel. History is interesting. It's not boring. It helps us understand the world. The world now is different from the world in the past. But some things are the same. History helps us see this. I like to learn new things in history class, about the past, people, and events. Thank you for watch. Please subscribe our channel.